Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, trip computer, tilt steering wheel, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.